Installing Python in Windows should be relatively quick. So we'll just open our browser, go to www.python.org, go to the downloads, and we have download the most current version, in this case 3.12.1. So we'll click on download, get that started, go out to the files. We could have clicked on it right there, but go ahead and double click here, run the install, go ahead and install now. Okay, so that ran. We'll close that. Close our browser. Okay, so we want to run Python idle. And I'm just going to resize this to fit my screen a little bit better. And so this is the idle shell that we have. So you can do things like assign values to variables like this, and then of course print those values. You can actually just type the variable name and it'll also print on the screen. You can change the values, so we can do things like x equals x plus 10, and then print x again, and we get the new value. But to write a script, most of the time we'll probably be going to File, New File, and we'll put our script in here. So I'll just say print it works. Save this first. So I'm going to save as, and I want to pick the My Documents folder, and I'm just going to call this one test.py, so a test program. And now I can run this. So I'll just go up to run module, and over here in our idle shell, it prints out that it works. And so that's kind of a simple, quick install of Python 3.